Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use WhatsApp on PC without phone. Friends, as we all know, to use WhatsApp on PC, we need to scan QR code from our WhatsApp installed on our mobile phone. So to use WhatsApp directly from our PC without our mobile phone, we simply need to install Android emulator on our PC. So one of the best Android emulator is BlueStack. You can download BlueStack from their website and you can select the software version as per your PC specifications. To see all versions of BlueStack, you need to click on see all versions. Now from here you can download BlueStack as per your PC configuration. I have already downloaded and installed it. Now I am going to open BlueStack. Now like your mobile phone, in BlueStack also you will find Play Store. Now in Play Store we need to search WhatsApp. Click on install. Now our WhatsApp is installed. We need to click on open to open it. Click on agree and continue. Here you need to enter the mobile number on which you want to activate WhatsApp. After entering number, click on next. Now after checking your number, click on OK. Now WhatsApp has sent a OTP to your number. You just need to enter that OTP here to activate WhatsApp. So after entering the OTP, your WhatsApp will be activated here and you can very easily use it as you use it on your mobile phone. So friends, like this you can very easily install and use WhatsApp on your PC without mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.